Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to bypass and fix Valorant penalties using the official method through Riot's support page. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Riot support, and make sure you log in using the same Riot account that received the penalty or ban. Step 2. After logging in, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Submit a Ticket. Then choose Valorant as the game you're contacting support about. Step 3. Under Request Type, select Discuss a personal suspension or restriction. This is the correct option to appeal or fix your Valorant penalty. Step 4. In the subject line, briefly explain the issue like, I was banned mistakenly. Then, answer the next question asking if you were banned for using voice chat by choosing No or the one that fits your case. Step 5. In the description box, clearly explain your side of the story. Write something like, I was mistakenly banned and would like Riot to reconsider. If you have proof, attach it below, then click Submit to send your appeal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tutorials and gaming tips.